though, man. Big event, man. Big turnout, brother. Raider Nation, babe. Woo. Let me see the shirt. Ah. Real quick. Oh no, let me get your shirt. Shout out to your club right there. What it do, man? Say hello to your fans, brother. Say what's up to your fans. Right. Shout out to you guys' club. Thank you. Beautiful 65 right there.
That's mine. That's on me, baby. That's on me.
Hey, a woman after my own heart. I have one. I have one.
My husband built it for me.
Who? Who's your husband? Eso. Beautiful car. You know I love him. You know I love him, boy.
Thank you.
I'm putting an LS in mine. That's why it's not here. I'm gonna do a walk around it. Love it. Hold on, let me pause this.
I don't want to look like an alcoholic.
No, it's good. It's good. I'm gonna get the motor real quick too.
So my dad sold my car to get them out of jail.
Hey. Booyah. Oh, I've seen this monte.
Up the shit! Once again, just want to say thank you to everybody again for coming out. I guess thanks to the team who did a good job in their judging. To you all. I'm walking around and thank everybody personally here watching you guys do. I really appreciate you guys.
This is where all the ladies are. What a crack-a-lackin'.
Oh, wait, okay, there's a overspill. There's a door in the back. Si le echas de más, güey, te va a aventar, güey. Tienes de más aceite, güey. Yeah. So it's not leaky, but what it is that you're overfilled. Hey, congratulations.
Sir, beautiful day here, shorty.
Shoot out your club, brother.
It's in a car club, baby.
Eso.
Hey,
What's that Lolo's life like?
Living it up, living it up.
Let's see it.
Blessed,
Let's see it.
blessed.
Ah, that's what's up, man. Much love. My bad. No, you guys straight. Don't trip. You guys about to become famous, man. My YouTube channel blew up.
So, right here with Benji's Bikes and Spits, kicking it right here at the Indio Car Show. Thank you so much to Big Red Chula and Classified Radio for throwing the show. Right here saying what up to my homeboy Shorty, but check out the bikers, homie, right here from Calacas Only Bike Club.
Eso, man. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it, man. Much love, brother. What's up, man? What's the name of your guys' club right here?
Down to pound.
What is it?
Down to pound.
Down to Pound. Mucho gusto, man. I'm Shorty, man.
All right, Shorty.
I'm Shorty from Old Schools Only, man.
How you doing, Shorty?
Nice to meet you, brother. Nice to meet you, man. You guys got some nice bikes, brother. Thanks for showing support, brother. One of the homies right here. Let me get a piece of you guys' shirt real quick, man. Shout out to your club real quick. It's so. What's going on though?
Raider Nation, baby, Raider Nation.
Let me see that shirt too. That's for the Raider Nation right there, huh? You got good taste, brother.
That's right. Nation, good. What's up, YouTube?
It's so.
No, you put on.
Man, there's so many. I got to go to the other parking lot too. We're gonna be here all day. Let me get a shot at your jacket, man. Let me see your cut. My bad. That's the right pronunciation, right? Your cut. It's so. That's right, man. Shout out. What's cracking, lacking, fellas?
He's ready, homie. Fresh, have that. Then they have the chorizo they make.
On YouTube or you live?
No, YouTube, for YouTube. What's cracking, lacking? I'm about to hit your car right now. What you want to say?
Not much, man.
Shoot out your shit right there. The Instagram, all your shit.
I'm Swifty 1962. Look me up.
It's so. All right, fellas.
Hey, he said bang, bang, not a gang, nigga. Fuck your team. You know what I mean? Hey, Mahomes is bad, though.
Motherfucking Raider Nation on mine.
Hey, stop that shit.
Raider Nation on mine,
keep
though.
Keep it moving, short dog.
Fucking Eric's 65. Look at that. That shit sexy right there. The 65. Okay. Let me see if I got this right. So when I do the introduction, it's California Sunshine. Like, quit acting like I don't know. California Sunshine.
When I wash it, when I three way, I put all the water coming out.
Shout out to Estilo Valleros, Squeaky. I see you, boy. I mean, snakes, my bad. What's going on, man? That's what's up. Raising them right. Raising them right, man. Hell yeah.
Tell them.
keys in ignition. I hope you see no passion. No matter for rest. Having the snatch hands off the mic. Grab me a shot. Shut up. I know niggas doing no more. You saying my name, you must be looking for me. Here I go. What you gon' do? What you gon' do? You can do whatever. My hell you gon' do. Entrepreneur soldier, guns galore. Watch them burn, bitch, burn like a flame door. Rocket on, show as a fool.